Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So the current condition is very critical now, but what's the prediction, what's the opinion, and what's the technical analysis, and what's the latest update, my brother? I will update you in this time about Polygon, my brothers, towards the new update. But kindly, holder, please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So first of all, my brother, if I update you this time about Polygon, so you can see, my brother, in last 1 hour, this time the price is completely, my brother, is in the loss now. In last 1 hour they are lost, and last 1 day, my friend, last 24 hour this coin is in the profit. So I'm so happy, I'm so excited to see this. And last 7 days you can see here, my friend, minus 1.06% they are lost. So therefore, my brother, I am so sad and absolutely I'm angry because, my brother, not just in last 7 days, so last all month, my brother, this coin is very badly fails down, but they cannot, my friends, take a jump. So I am very worried, my friends, to what they do, and next especially I'm so worried, my brother, to upcoming time what they do. But absolutely, my friend, expert says to upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will move upward. So if we, my friend, live predicate this coin, so exactly, my friend, we also understand, let's predicate this coin. But kindly, holder, remember this is a short prediction just for you, my brother. Absolutely, you can see here after our card, you can see moving, and this circulation to after a fails they will take a jump, and after a jump they will fails down. So the same time, my friend, you can see here they will fails down, and after this fails they also take a very huge jump now. So that's mean to the last point, if the arrows is moving upward, so that's mean to upcoming time there is a lot of chances so they will move upward now. So I hope upcoming time they will move upward, the price will be increasing. So if you hold it, so I hope, my brother, at the end of month especially they will give you a very good profit. So why are you waiting? Please hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, at the mid of month they will give you a very good profit, but at the end they will make you millionaire now. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. Hold here, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.